Hey.
We're finally out. It's been like a month.
About that.
Seriously. Haven't got digging like a month. And we're super excited because we finally came back to this dump site we found and, you know, dug around just a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're super excited to be back. And let's see what we're going to get.
See you in a bit.
Peace. I said you're lying.
I know.
Yee! Look it. Hi, Nancy. See you in a bit. Oh my God, yeah. Dude. I'm so excited. This is an embossed blob top. Holy crap, it was just right here. Right in there. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. When empty, return only to someplace. Wow. Red Bank, New Jersey. Awesome. This is awesome, guys. Look at that. Wow. That just made my day. Ooh, I'm going to be right here for the rest of the day. Pew, pew. All right. Guys, so I pulled this out. It's interesting. I don't know what it is, but there it is, whatever it is. Interesting. All right, on to the next. All right, guys, I was just digging here. Stuck my shovel in again, and this popped right out. Wow. That is serious pewage. Pew, Rachel. Look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Yes, I know my gloves are on backwards, but hey, there's always too many righties and not enough lefties around here. Pew. On to the next. Pew. That's crazy. I'm afraid to put that in my bag. Dudes, was just digging there. And I pulled that out. And I have no idea what that is. But it looks like some type of picker-upper. I don't know. I'll have to look at it better later, but interesting.
Yeah, Audra just called me over.
Hey, dude.
I think she's in the bushes.
And I just pulled this out here about 6 inches deep.
Let's see.
Baton.
Very nice.
Nice flat button. And definitely gonna try and get in the middle here. See what we can find.
These rhododendrons are hiding little goodies.
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, I was just digging at the base of this tree right here. I found a coin over there. I found another one, but I can't quite figure it out what it is yet. I just know it's green. It's small. Smaller than a penny. I think I might be able to make out Lincoln, but I'm not sure. I'll have to clean it up a little more. I don't know if you can see what it is. It's getting a little dark here, but that's the best I can do for light. I'll let you know later. All right, peace.
All right, guys. I was just digging here. And I pulled out another little button, smaller than the other one. Nice little flat button. Very nice with trinkets. Very nice. Alright, guys. On to the next. Love it. Beautiful day out here, too. Alright, see you in a bit.
Hey guys, just digging here, breaking through all these roots. Didn't break all of them. And then I think somewhere down here is a rock. And I thought that might be a big piece of iron, but I finally got it out. It was a little debuckle. Then I stuck my pinpointer in again. Yeah guys, that's where I got the first debuckle. And then I listened to the hole again, and then I listened around and had to dig here to get another little debuckle. Like literally 5 inches apart. Crazy. Oh, and this pond is right there. They call it a pond, I call it a swamp because it's stinky. See you in a bit.
Big coinage.
How big?
Big green coinage. Dude, come here.
If it's another Jersey copper, I am
be a
hanging that up.
I don't even know. It might be a button.
I don't know, this area you found a Jersey last time.
I haven't even touched it yet. I don't think it's a button. Oh, my thing is still on. Let's see. You ready?
Ready.
Coinage.
Yep.
It's a largie.
Yeah, I can see
Kind.
her.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
I was just saying, how could there only be 2 largies in one hole in these woods?
Wow. It's thick.
Yeah.
All right. I'm not gonna do much to it here, but we'll get a date. Definitely off that.
1860 something.
1860.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see kinda. 18 something.
We'll lift it up into the light.
Ah.
Can you guys see the date? I think you can.
Look at that imprint is still there.
1852 or 62.
Love it.
Awesome, dude.
Piece. Piece of piece. Piece of piece.
Wow. Make sure it's 2 fingers.
Love it. Rachel said,
Coinage!
what you got, dude?
Got a little coinage right there.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what it is. Awesome. What you think? Quarter?
I don't know.
Let's see.
We'll find out. See if we can get the dirt off. I have to use a
Brushage.
toothbrushage. Toothage brushage.
I don't know where mine is.
I think I just threw mine. Right there. Okay. I don't see any ridges.
Let me rub it on my pants.
Let's try this one. Maybe it's not as bad. There's some grass on it.
Yeah, it reminds me of Digger Dawn's coins.
I see green.
Don't use your nail.
I'm getting the grass, not the...
Good grief.
Oh, that one's stuck.
Give me. Gently rub it. Good man, that is
Crusty.
crusty. We might have to clean that up later, dudes. Toothpick. Quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
Very cool though. Awesome, dude.
Yep.
On to the next.
Peace.
Guys, I was digging there, like down to China, and I pulled out that old type of skeleton key that is rotted away. It's falling to pieces. Definitely not savable, but it's very cool. On to the next. Dudes, I could see spoonage under this big tree. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's a nice one, dude. That's nice. Beautiful. Gotta love spoonage. Alright. On to the next. Pew, pew. Dudes, Rachel was just digging there. And she pulled out what looks like an Indian.
Good deal. There's a 1 cent.
I can't see it because shadow. Says 1 cent up on there, dudes. And then it's kind of slick, but I think that's an Indian. Very cool, dude.
Yeah, a little more cleaning and we'll be able to
ID
idea better.
Awesome, dude. In our awesome Ultimate Finds box, special
Version 2.
edition from Brotherhood Metal Detecting. The Ultimate Finds box truly is ultimate.
Version 1.
Version 1 and version 2. Because you can't have too many.
Nope.
Get you one. Is it piece or piece? Piece.
Alright guys, I was just digging this little hole here. I think I just took a picture. There we go. There's a little hole. And I just pulled out, I think, a knee buckle or something. Definitely an older one. That's pretty cool. Still moves. I need to clean it. Whoops, I didn't even have it yet frame. Need to clean it and get back to you. On board. Here's Audra digging over there. No, she can see her. Probably not. Alright, peace.
Dudes,
Hey guys.
we had a good day.
Yep.
It was a couple days, couple short days. We're just happy to be out. It's a beautiful day. We saved some history. We're in nature. Perfect. Let's see what we got. This, what is this you got, Rachel?
Bunch of pieces to a lamp.
Lots of pieces to a lantern. Awesome. Very cool. Got a lot of junk back there. Lots of junk. And awesome lantern parts. And then we got little bottle. Other little bottle. Tube type bottle. That's cool. These awesome bullets still in the little case. What are they?
30-06.
30-06 with the red tip. Very cool. This tool type thing probably takes something off, something like a tire or something. I don't even know. You know?
No, I haven't.
We don't know. Skeleton key, really toasted. Spoonage. Gotta love spoonage.
Nintendo DS game.
Nintendo DS game. More coinage.
Some pennies.
Wheaties, and not sure on that one yet. That might be a memorial.
I think that one is.
Yeah. I think that's a dime. Not sure yet. We'll have to clean it up.
That's the Indian.
That's an Indian.
I don't know.
I don't know. Another penny.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, there's another.
Awesome buckles. Cool buckles.
Yeah, they were like 5 inches from each other.
And what do you think that is? You
I think it might be the bottom to a cane or a chair.
Very cool. Very, very cool.
Brass. And a rose tag.
Rose tag. And then quarter. And then 2 buttons, 2 flat buttons with shank. And a largie. I think it's 1858 or something. Can't tell yet. But we'll clean that up. Take pictures. Beautiful. It's going to come out good, I think.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so great day. Thanks for joining us. And remember to
Fill your holes.
say hello in the comments. Always fill your holes. Say hello in the comments.
And subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah.
Best part about it?
It's free.
It is.
Join us on Tuesday night, 7 p.m. live stream with awesome friends who are the best.
And hit that bell so you're notified every time we upload a video or if we randomly go live.
Yeah, because we do crazy things. Spontaneous. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Have a great night. Have a great week. We'll see you soon.
Peace.